Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is another vlog, and look like I'm with me. Say hello. Say hi, Pharaoh. So we are about to go ahead and head out. Tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah. So I'm super excited for my birthday tomorrow, you guys. I will be 25. I know I don't look like it, but I'm 5 years, almost pushing to 30. So I'm super excited for my birthday, you guys. So we are gonna go head out. My mom and Pharaoh and we're gonna head out to a few stores, check out Sephora, Carter's, Target, and the mall and outlets. I am gonna try to look for a birthday outfit for tomorrow. So I'm super excited. I'll be having dinner with some girlfriends. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing too spectacular big for my birthday, but I will be 25 and I'm super excited, you guys. So I feel like I'm gonna spoil myself today and tomorrow. But again, you guys, this is my hair is from eulliar hair. I do have a coupon code in the description box for you guys to check out. I've been receiving so many compliments on here on my channel and on Instagram about my hair. So yeah, so definitely leave a comment down below. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get this day right now, trying on some things, and look at this background, you guys. So cute. So I'm trying a few jeans to wear with like a top that I have at home for tomorrow, and yeah, we're gonna see how they go. I'm trying on 2 pairs of jeans, so let me show you guys the first pair. So these are the mom jeans from American Eagle, and they fit well. They look really nice. The other thing is like they're short, so but these look really nice. They fit really well. So yeah, these are really good here. So this is the second pair of jeans, and they fit so nice. They look really nice. Don't mind my socks, but they look really nice. So cute. So I think I'll probably get this pair of jeans. I just tried on the second pair of jeans you guys just saw, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with these for the outfit for tomorrow. And yeah, so after we leave from here, we're gonna probably go head on down to Target, and that's really it. I didn't really see anything in like different stores we look into, so yeah, that's about it. So like I said, I'm just gonna stick with my online and app shopping, you guys, because I legit didn't see anything. Just finished from leaving the mall, so currently we're at Walgreens. My mom is at Walgreens picking up something, and then we're gonna head on home. And wait, hold on, sorry, I lied. Going to Target, and then we're gonna go head on home. And yeah, I didn't really see anything at like the mall at all. Like it just looked like a lot of like clothes and stuff was like looked over and like just thrown everywhere. And I said the first time that I go to the store to actually look for something, it looks a mess. So again, like I said like before, like I'm just gonna continue shopping online and through apps and stuff that from the stores that I shop from, because every time I go to the stores, I just feel like a waste of time, and I'm not like a happy client. Like leaving out the stores, like, and especially when I'm like on the hunt for something. And then it seemed like when I'm not on the hunt for something, like it usually is like at the store. So yeah, that is just like about it. So Pharaoh, he's currently in the back taking a nap. So we're just gonna pick up a few things from Target, and then we're gonna go to the bakery that we always go to for the cupcakes for tomorrow and the cake, and then maybe Party City, look at some balloons, and that is just it. So